Welcome to Vital Life Stories, where we explore the profound truths behind success. Today, we discover the power of small habits. Many believe that success strikes like lightning, a sudden event changing everything. However, true greatness is built slowly, brick by brick. We often underestimate the power of tiny actions, forgetting that the Grand Canyon was carved by the persistent flow of water. Meet Alex, a young man with dreams reaching the stars. But his feet are stuck in the mud of procrastination. He dreams of wealth and influence, staring at posters of icons, yet he lacks the discipline to take the first step. Every morning begins with a defeat. The alarm rings, signaling opportunity, but Alex chooses the comfort of sleep over his ambition. His calendar is a graveyard of good intentions. Plans made with enthusiasm on Sunday are abandoned and forgotten by Tuesday afternoon. He convinces himself that he works best under pressure, using this lie to justify wasting hours on mindless entertainment and scrolling. His favorite mantra is simple and destructive. I will do it tomorrow. But for Alex, tomorrow is a place that never arrives. He believes that only massive, dramatic changes count. Since he cannot move mountains instantly, he refuses to pick up small stones. Frustration grows within him. He feels stuck in a loop, watching others succeed while he remains in the same exact spot. One afternoon, he meets an old professor, a wise mentor who sees the potential hidden beneath the young man's lazy exterior. The professor points to the tall bamboo swaying in the wind and asks Alex if he understands the secret of its growth. He explains that for the first 4 years, the bamboo tree shows almost no growth above the ground, remaining tiny. But underneath, a miracle is happening. The bamboo is tirelessly spreading its roots, building a foundation strong enough to support giants. If the bamboo focused on growing up before growing down, it would collapse under its own weight at the first wind. Then, in the 5th year, something magical occurs. The tree shoots up 24 meters into the sky in just 6 weeks. Did it grow that tall in 6 weeks? No, it grew over 5 years. The invisible work made the visible success possible. Alex realizes his mistake. He wanted the height of the bamboo without spending the necessary years developing his own root system. The professor shares 7 small habits, the roots for a human life. These are simple actions that compound into massive success. Habit number 1 is waking up 1 hour earlier. This quiet time is a gift you give to your future self. This creates 365 extra hours a year. Imagine what skills you could master with that much dedicated time. Habit number 2 is reading daily. You do not need to read a whole book, just 10 pages every single day. This small habit accumulates to over 12 books a year. Knowledge compounds like interest, turning you into an expert over time. Habit number 3 is setting small goals. Break your massive dreams down into bite-sized tasks that you can conquer today. Completing these small tasks builds momentum. Success is not a destination. It is a series of small victories won daily. Habit number 4 kills procrastination. Use the 5-second rule. Count backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and physically move to start working immediately. This simple countdown interrupts your brain's excuses and forces action. It bridges the gap between knowing what to do and doing it. Habit number 5 is practicing gratitude. Every night, write down 3 things you are thankful for to shift your mindset positively. This trains your brain to scan the world for positives instead of negatives, keeping your energy high for the challenges ahead. Habit number 6 is exercising for 10 minutes. You do not need a gym, just move your body to awaken your mind. Physical activity releases energy and clears mental fog. A strong mind cannot exist without the support of a healthy vessel. Habit number 7 is limiting phone usage. Reclaim your attention from the addiction of scrolling and invest it in your growth. By eliminating distractions, you enter a state of deep work. This is where high-quality output and true learning actually happen. The beginning was not easy. There were days Alex wanted to quit, days when the bed felt too warm to leave. But he remembered the bamboo. He knew he was building his roots, and that invisible progress is still valid progress. Weeks turned into months. The struggle turned into routine. What once required willpower became automatic, a natural part of who he was. 1 year later, the transformation is undeniable. Alex is no longer the lazy boy dreaming on a couch. He is a man of action. He launched his own business, armed with the knowledge from his reading and the discipline forged in his early mornings. Challenges still come, but his roots are deep. He stands firm against the storms of life, just like the bamboo forest. He returns to the park to thank the professor. The mentor nods, knowing that the potential was always there, waiting to be nurtured. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. Small habits bridge that gap. Like the bamboo, your success story is being written right now, even if no one can see the results just yet. Do not wait for a miracle. Be the miracle. Start your root system today with one small, positive action. Plant your seeds of discipline. Water them with consistency. Trust the process, and eventually, you will touch the sky. Success is not an accident. It is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Your time is now. Wake up, read, plan, act, appreciate, move, focus. These 7 keys unlock the door to the life you have always imagined. The world is waiting for your contribution. Stop delaying your greatness. Build your roots deep so you can rise high. Thank you for watching Vital Life Stories. Remember, giant trees grow from tiny seeds. Subscribe now and start your growth journey.